Hi everybody, thanks for watching. This is going to be a quick tutorial video on how to build or how to assemble a banker's box. The banker's box I have is made by Fellows, and I picked them up at a big box store, namely Walmart. But let's get to it. The first step is to realize that the directions are printed on the back. And I've got another box right there that I can reference. So the first step is to remove what is going to be the lid of the box, and everything is perforated. So I'm going to go ahead and pull that off. Here's the lid. I'll turn it upside down, make sure I'm still in the camera view. There we go. And now we're going to start to fold this up. Put the edges up. Fold these tabs in and put the ends over to make a nice little lid shape on one end. Repeat on the other edge. Fold the tabs in and then fold the narrow end over into place. In about 10 seconds, you have the lid. Set that to the side. Now we're going to do the banker's box. Oh, you might get these little tabs of cardboard. That's just excess. For the banker's box piece, we're going to have to make it like this. First, put it in expanded position, and number one, going to push all the way through. Now that number one is through, we're going to take the two sides, which have their tearaway tabs on the side that you need to break. Okay, got those. I'm going to push that through all the way. Let's make sure that's out of the way. Push this through all the way. Goes in there. Flip it upside down, and now in the top, push those two sides up like that. Lift them up to the edge, left and right. Get rid of that extra piece. And now put that first piece back down to be your reinforced bottom. The only thing left to do is to punch out the handles on the side, and those just push in on each side. And now you've got a nice, actually kind of a padded handle there. So your banker's box is complete. Put the lid on. These are great. They're stackable. They hold a lot. We put our files in them like you'd imagine. And if you buy them in bulk, they're less than $2 a box. I think we got a 10-pack for $18. But of course, I will stick a link in the description below so you can go ahead and buy your own if you want. But that's it. That's how you assemble a banker's box. Thanks for watching.